Good morning, dear students. My name is Ferhan Mazher, and in this video today we are going to work on the exercise 9C. And this is the course book of the AS Mathematics 9709. In this video, we are going to start work from the question number 2 and its A part. So I'm going to attempt the question number 2 and its A part. So let's start. You can see the question number 2. Find the equation of the curve given dy by dx and the point P on the curve. So we are working on the exercise 9C. This is our second episode on this exercise. The topic of this exercise is integration of the expressions of the form ax plus b whole raised to power n. This is pure maths 19709 and this is the paper 1. This content is related with the paper 1 of this subject. So let's solve this. So we are working on the question number 2 and its A part. This is given that the dy by dx is equals to 2x minus 1 whole cube, and the point on the curve is also given, which is P point. Its coordinates are given 3 by 2 comma 4. So I will integrate both the sides. Okay, so I will integrate here, I will integrate this side. So this side will become y, this on this side we will increase the power by 1, and with the same number I will divide, and this number with the x will also come downstairs, and plus c. Then you will have this thing y is equals to 2x minus 1 raised to power 4 divided by 8 plus c. Okay, so we know that there is a point P which is on that curve whose coordinates are 3 by 2 comma 4. So here in the place of x I will substitute 3 by 2, and in the place of y I will substitute 4. So what will happen, you see what will happen, 4 equals to square bracket 2 bracket 3 by 2 bracket close minus 1 square bracket close raised to power 4, the whole thing divided by 8 plus c. I want to find out the value of that c. So what we will do, this will become 4 is equals to bracket 3 minus 1 bracket close whole raised to power 4 divided by 8 plus c. So 4 will be equals to 2 raised to power 4 divided by 8 plus 4 plus c, sorry. So 4 will be equal to 16 by 8, which will be 2. That 2 will go on the other side, it will subtract. So c will be equals to 4 minus 2. So c value is 2. So the equation will become y is equals to 2x minus 1 whole raised to power 4 and divided by the 8 plus c. So my dear students, you can see the question number 2 and its A part showing up on your screen. Unfortunately today I don't have my stand, so I am holding the camera in my hand. So I hope you understand question number 2 and its A part. So my dear students, exercise 9C question number 2 and its A part. The marking scheme is showing up. A is equal to 1 by 8 bracket 2x minus 1 whole raised to power 4 plus 2, that is the equation. So my dear students, now we are going to work on the exercise 9C question number 2 and its B part. Dy by dx is equals to under root, and under the radical we have 2x plus 5. The point through which the curve is passing is 2 comma 2. So we need to find out the equation of that curve. So question number 2 and its B part, dy by dx is equals to the under root 2x plus 5, and it's passing through the point P which is 2 comma 2. So we will integrate both the sides, dy by dx into the dx, and equals to the integrate 2x plus 5 whole raised to power, the radical sign means raised to power 1 by 2. So this side will become y, this side the power will be increased by the 1. So 2x plus 5 raised to power 1 by 2 plus 1, which is 3 by 2. With the same number we will divide. We will also, whatever is the coefficient of the x with the same number I will divide, and plus c. So the y will become y is equals to 2x plus 5 raised to power 3 by 2, whole thing divided by 3, and plus c. We know that the curve is passing through the point P, which is 2 comma 2. Its coordinates are 2 comma 2. So in the place of x, I will substitute 2. In the place of y, I will also substitute 2. So you see what will happen. 2 is equals to the square bracket 2 into 2 plus 5 square bracket close raised to power 3 by 2 and whole thing divided by 3 plus c. 4 plus 5, that's 9. 9 raised to power 3 by 2, and that is 27. You can do it on your calculator, divided by 3. So 27 divided by 3, that will be 9. And so take this 9 to the other side. 2 minus 9, that will be minus 7. So c value is minus 7. So your equation will become the equation will become 2x plus 5 whole raised to power 3 by 2, the whole thing divided by 3 minus 7. So this is how you will do this question, and I hope you understand. This is the question number 2, and it's B part, exercise 9C. This is our second episode on this exercise. So exercise 9C, the answers are showing up. Question number 2, it's B part, y is equals to 1 by 3, and you have 2x plus 5 whole raised to power 3 by 2 minus 7. So our answer is right. So my dear students, now we are going to work on the question number 2, and it's C part. dy by dx is equals to 1 by under root and x minus 2, and the point through which the curve is passing is P, which is 3 comma 7, and we want to find out the equation of the curve. So my dear students, we are working on the exercise 9C. This is our second episode on this exercise. The chapter 9 is all about the integration, and the top exercise 9C is about the integration of the expression of the form ax plus b raised to power n. We are solving the course book of the Pure Maths 1. So we are working on the question number 2, and it's a C part. dy by dx is equals to 1 by under root x minus 2, and the curve is passing through the point P, which is 3 comma 7, and we want to find out the equation of the curve. So I will integrate both the sides. I will bring this upstairs. So you will have here x minus 2 raised to power minus 1 by 2. Okay, so this side will become y. This side the power will be increased by 1, and with the same number I will divide. So minus 1 by 2 plus 1, that is equals to 1 by 2. So, and this 1 by 2 will come here, and this 2, which is the coefficient of x, will also come here, and plus c. Now when I will simplify this a little bit, it will be y equals to 2 bracket x minus 2 bracket close raised to power 1 by 2 plus c. Now in the place of the y, I will substitute 7, and in the place of the x, I will substitute 3, and I will try to find out the value of the c. So you will have 7 is equals to 2 bracket x minus 2 bracket close raised to power 1 by 2 plus c. So that will be 7 equals to 2 into 1 plus c, and that is c equals to 7 minus 2. So your c will become equals to 5. So that means the equation of the curve is y equals to 2 square root of the x minus 2, and the c value, which is plus c. So my dear students, this is how you will do the question number 2, and its C part. This is showing up on your screen. I hope you understand. So here you can see the answers of the exercise 9C, question number 2, C part. Our answer is y equals to 2 under root x minus 2 plus 5. Our answer is right. I hope you understand this. So my dear students, we are working on the exercise 9C, our second episode on this exercise. And the question number 2, and its D part, now we are going to attempt. He says find the equation of the curve given that dy by dx and a point P on the curve. dy by dx is equals to 4 divided by bracket 3 minus 2x bracket close whole raised to power 2, and the curve is passing through a point P, which is 2 comma 4. we need to find out the equation of that curve. So, my dear students, question number 2 is d part dy by dx is equals to 4 divided by 3 minus 2x whole square, and the curve is passing to the point P, which is 2 comma 2. We will integrate both the sides, and so, but I will bring this upstairs, so its power will become minus 2. So when you will integrate this side, it will become y. When you integrate this, 4 will remain as it is. Here, the power will be increased by 1, and with the same number I will divide. Minus 2 plus 1, that's minus 1. That's why I have divided with the minus 1 here. And the coefficient of the x here, that will also come downstairs, and plus c. So now I will simplify this a little bit. So y is equals to 2 bracket 3 minus 2x bracket close raised to power minus 1 plus c. Because this curve is passing through the point P, which is 2 comma 4, so what I will do, in the place of the x, I will substitute 4, and in the place of the in the place of the x I will substitute 2, and in the place of the y I will substitute 4 to find the value of the c. So y 4 is equals to 2 bracket square bracket 3 minus 2 bracket close square bracket close raised to power minus 1 plus c. So that will be equals to 4 equals to 2, and in the bracket I have a minus 1 and raised to power minus 1. You can bring it downstairs. It will remain minus 1. So 2 divided by minus 1 will be minus 2. So take this minus 2 the other side, and it will become positive 2. So c will be equals to 4 plus 2, and that will be 6. So the value of the c will be 6. So now the equation of the curve will be y equals to 2 divided by 3 minus 2x, and the value of the c is plus 6. So y equals to 2 divided by 3 minus 2x and plus c. So my dear students, this is how you will do this. So question number 2, and it's a d part. Let me show you the answer. Exercise 9c is answers are showing up on your screen. The question number 2 is d part, y is equals to 2 divided by 3 minus 2x plus 6. So our answer is right, sir. So this is how you will do the questions. So my dear students, in this video we have done question number 2. It's A, B, C and D part, and I hope that you have understood these questions. If you find this video interesting, and if you find this video useful, please like this video, please subscribe my channel, please share the link of this video with your class fellows, with your friends. You see, when you like my video, when you comment on it, and when you share the link of this video, it's a support and appreciation for my work. Your support and your appreciation is very, very important for me. So thank you very much for taking out time and watching this video. So have a good day, sir. God bless you all.